Hi friends, my name is Dr.Bharath Chandra. Welcome to today's breaking news video. News number 1, Anupam Rasayan IPO subscribed 44 times. Yesterday Anupam Rasayan IPO closed and these are the details of the subscription. Qualified institution investors 65.99 times subscribed, HNIs 97.78 times, retail investors 10.81 times subscribed. Total 44.22 times subscribed. Very good response to the IPO. We need to see how it lists and after that how it starts trading in the stock markets. News number 2, Vedanta raises offer price to rupees 235 per share. Vedanta company had announced a buyback in January 2021 to buy its shares from the public shareholders at rupees 160 per share for a total value of rupees 5,948 crores. However, now they have revised their offer and have increased the purchase price to rupees 235 per share and will buy back shares worth a total value of rupees 15,300 crores. Current market price is around 225 per share. Company has raised their offer price to make the price more attractive for shareholders. So this news we had broken even in the breaking news a few days back. News number 3, SEBI has proposed to streamline IPO process. Currently, investors can use UPI system like Beam, Google Pay, PhonePe, etc. to apply for IPOs. But there are some issues with the current system, such as delay in receiving the mandate for blocking of the funds due to errors in the system. Also, sometimes some people have experienced that the banks are blocking more amount than the investment amount for the IPO. So SEBI is taking some steps to streamline and make the IPO application process more smooth. News number 4. Aditya Birla Sun Life AMC, which is asset management company, may launch IPO. The board members of Aditya Birla Capital, which owns Aditya Birla Sun Life Mutual Fund Company, have given approval for the mutual fund company to launch an IPO. This is just an initial news, preliminary news, and the company has to decide on a lot of details before they submit the application to SEBI for the IPO. News number 5. Government planning to sell loss-making airports bundled together with profitable ones. The government will sell loss-making airports with profitable airports so that they can get rid of the loss-making airports. The profitable airports are Trichy, Bhubaneswar, Indore, Raipur, Amritsar and Varanasi. The loss-making airports are Salem, Jabalpur, Jalgaon, Kushinagar, etc. This is a good idea because otherwise if you sell only the loss-making airports separately, maybe you will not get any buyers. But when you bundle profitable and loss-making airports, the people will not have any choice, the companies will not have any choice, they will have to purchase the loss-making airports as well along with the profitable airports. These airports are likely to be sold by next year in 2022. News number 6. Finance Minister has assured that not all public sector banks will be privatized. The Finance Minister has assured that only some public sector banks will be privatized. Even the banks that will be privatized, the employees' salaries and other benefits will be protected by the government. This announcement was made after there was a 2-day strike by many public sector employees protesting against the privatization and also protesting against the job loss which may happen because of that. So this was today's breaking news. If this video was good, press the like button. If this video was useful, please type good in the comment section and share this video with all your friends. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye and all the best.